Delivery.
I'm coming. I'll be with you shortly.
1 hour later.
I'm coming.
Good afternoon, sir.
Oh, hi. I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting now. I'm so famished.
Your order.
I hope they added the two turkey as I ordered.
Yes, sir. Bye-bye, sir.
Wait. Mr. Man. Why is the packaging like this?
Jesus like what, sir?
It's food I ordered for now, not sand.
Sir, you know your road is not good. The road is not good. So I was coming. As I was coming, me and my bike, we fell down. At that junction, you know that...
We go explain, because no evidence.
So that was why.
So you couldn't get something else to package this thing? To maintain customer relationship? So you now brought rice with a package covered with dust for me?
From dust to here and unto dust you shall return, sir.
He shock you!
Oh, wow. I see. A delivery guy. Look how you're dressed. Look at you. This story will not be important if the sand gets into the rice I ordered.
Jesus. Are you Jesus? Playing? What type of plane? Blood of Jesus.
Dead body go surplus.
What's this?
Go and ask your grandfather.
What is what, sir?
I did not place an order for a dog food. And neither did I even place an order for half a plate. So what is going on here?
Sir, when I fell down, I think that's when the whole incident happened.
Okay, so immediately the turkey fell down. The flesh went off the bone. And the rice is as perfect as this. Half. And there's no sand inside the rice, as I can see. Yeah! Is that what you're trying to tell me?
Oh, I'm not too much.
You know, as I fell down with the bike, my eye was turning me, sir. It was not easy. I couldn't have known my way to this place. If not, when I was just struggling, my hand just touched the food. That's when this thing happened, sir. And as my hand touched the food, as I was eating it, something just said, touch the chicken, touch it. I said, no, now. This food is for delivery. So immediately I placed one in my mouth. Something said, take the second one. Sir, I'm so sorry, sir. And I just started this job newly.
And you couldn't go back to repack my order?
Sir, I'm sorry, sir. You see, Proverbs 22:9 says, a generous man shall be blessed because he shared his food with the poor.
Wow.
Just manage it, sir.
Oh, when I heard generous, I was touched. You know what? You just come inside. Let me give you some money to repair your bike, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Come in. No, come in.
This my God, I'll punish you.
I hope you enjoy that Mommy video. Please subscribe. Thank you. We love you. Bye.